Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. 12 Commerce students, we have started live lectures and I think the response of the students is excellent. Almost 85-90% students are present in commerce and I think even 95, even 100% in some of the subjects in class 12 science. Students, our main priority was to discuss about the practical exam. And as I said that it can be conducted any time during the month of January or even in the first week of February. Now students, I think in live lectures I have explained everything about the practical exam, how you have to make the projects and all that. Accountancy also, BS also. But today maybe some students, those who may be late in the lectures or due to some genuine reason they could not attend the live lectures, I'm going to just give you few of the brief points of what we have discussed in the live lectures. Students, first I'll discuss about accountancy practical, accountancy project. So accountancy total 20 marks will be there, students. Now these 20 marks are bifurcated this way. 12 marks exam will be there. Now exam means on the same day of practical 12 marks exam will be conducted. A question paper will be given to you and you will be given 1 hour. In 1 hour you have to do the solution of the two questions. One question is related to cash flow and one question is related to ratio. So on the basis of that 12 marks will be given to you and checking and everything will be done on the same day. An external examiner will be there just to do the invigilation duty also. So students, we are definitely going to teach you these two chapters very soon, but if you are doing self-study or you are taking guidance from someone else, right now you give priority to these two chapters, cash flow and ratio. So 12 marks for this one. Now 4 marks students will be there, then 4 marks will be there for Viva. Now Viva means you know that question answers will be there. Now question answers may be from the project which you have prepared or it can be from any other area of accountancy of 11 also, of 12 also. And the other 4 marks will be there, that is of project. So in accountancy project having the value of 4 marks, not 20 marks, remember. 20 marks are bifurcated this way. So when you are going to make the project will contain 4 marks. Now how and what the things that you have to include in the project, how to make the project of accountancy. Obviously the page, first 3-4 pages as already I have discussed many times now. First page will be of profile, school, your name, exam seat number and all that you have to mention. Already students, in WhatsApp group I have sent the sample project to you in which first page to last page everything is mentioned. So if you are not present, in live lectures, please take the sample copy from your friend, or if you are there in the WhatsApp group, you can directly take the print and you can study that and you can make the project also. So first page will be of profile, second page will be of acknowledgement, third page will be of certificate, fourth page will be of index, then page number 5 will be, now you have to mention on page number 5 the specific project, that is the title should be ratio and cash flow. Now then you have to start company 1. Now company 1 is 2 company you have to take. So company 1, that balance sheet you have to download as well as profit and loss account. Balance sheet and profit and loss account, and on the basis of that you have to find out the ratio of that company. Now 4 ratios are there as you know students. Yesterday also in live lectures we have discussed profitability ratio, activity based ratio, solvency ratio, and profitability we have discussed, activity based we have discussed, solvency based we have discussed, and the 4th ratio students, that is based on certain criteria, interest and all that. So just let me write the ratios here. Profitability, solvency, profitability, activity ratio is also there students. 3 ratios we have discussed, and the 4th one is Yeah, students will discussing profitability, solvency, activity ratio, and then liquidity ratio. Okay, debtors ratio, debtors turnover ratio, creditors turnover ratio. Okay, average collection period, average payment period. These ratios are there. Now, students, if you don't know about these ratios, then whatever sample project that I have sent to you, in that these ratios are mentioned. So you can see that and you have to make the project. But project is having only 4 marks weightage. So maybe around minimum 22 to 25 pages of project you have to make. Remember students, I again repeat, 22 to 25 pages minimum. Maximum you can go for 30, 40, 50 pages also you can do. But minimum 22 to 25 pages should be there. And then these 16 marks will be there, which will be given for 12 marks for exam and 4 marks for Viva. So project, if you have doubt, please check the sample project which I have sent on WhatsApp group. Now students will discuss about BS project. Now BS project, business study project. Now students, normally as bifurcated in accountancy 12, 4 and 4. It is not like this. 20 marks definitely all together will be there for project only. So BS project is very much important students, and it should be having minimum around 28 to 30 pages maybe. 28 to 30 pages. Maybe it can go for 32, 34, 35, 40 pages, it's okay. And one more thing students, in account and BS both the projects, decoration is very important. A project should look more attractive, colorful, and you may use the different pages, as well as you can stick some of the important things downloaded from internet. Color print you have to stick, especially in BS, as already I have given you the topic, or some students have selected themselves the topic. On the basis of topic, 20 things you have to keep in mind, which I will share with you right now. Which 20 things you have to keep in mind? First of all, what is the name of your product that you have to mention? After 4 pages means as first 4 pages are same, like first page of profile, second page of acknowledgement, third page of certificate, and 4 of index. That is same in BS also. Now then after you have to, 5th page will be the name of your product, which product you are going to, you have selected. Then after students, the next thing is, why have you selected that product? आपने वो product क्यों select किया है वो बताना है next page पे. Okay, it is up to you why you have selected. What is the reason that you have selected that? That you have to write on a paper and you have to add to the project. Then will be your 5 competitors in the market. Who are your competitors? Suppose as I said yesterday, if I have prepared the bike, manufactured the bike, then my competitors will be Hero, my competitors will be Honda, my competitors will be Bajaj. So these are my competitors. So 3 to 5 competitors you have to make on next page. Students, every new topic should be on new page. Now the third topic will be, which license are required to make the product. Suppose if you are making the mobile, then which license are required from the government. You can download this or you can search this on Google. You will get the answer. That suppose if you want to make the mobile, where and from which place you will get the license. So that you have to find out. Then after, does your product have any range? Now range means what? That your product is for a special people, I mean to say for kids, for young people, or for old age people. Your product is for middle class, for poor people, for rich people. Your product is for Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, like that. So which criteria you have decided, that is a range that you have to add in your product. Then students, you have to add the features of your product characteristics. That which special features you have. Suppose mobile you are making, or anything else, any other thing, furniture you are making. So sofa is there, cupboard is there, chair is there. So which are the special features of your product, characteristics of your product, that you have to mention on a separate page. Then after students, label of your product. What is the label? Label means the ingredients or particular information given on the product. Students, yesterday already in live classes, what is the label I have already shown to the students. So if you have not seen, please discuss with other of your friends, or if you need, I will send you, just message me, I will send you that particular picture of the label also. So label also you have to add. Then after the logo means the symbol of your company, of your product. Symbol, if you don't know, just again you ask me, I will send you the picture of that also. Then after students, tagline means special line. Yesterday I said that suppose LIC जो company है, LIC से जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. So उसके बाद एक घड़ी डिटर्जेंट आता है, तो घड़ी डिटर्जेंट says that पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. So that is tagline. So same you have to add in your product also. Then students, price. What will be the price of your product, and how you compare your price with your competitors' price. Other companies' price you have to write down, and then your price also next to that you have to write down, and how you have decided the price, that also you have to explain in the project. Then after students, you have to write down about the packaging. Now packaging, students, yesterday in live lectures I said one thing, that 3 types of packaging is there: primary packaging, secondary packaging, and transportation packaging. Primary packaging means only one packet and then remove that and try to use the product. Secondary packaging means 2-3 type of packaging, 2-3 layers are there, like toothpaste, one box is there, you remove that, you will get the tube in that. So that is secondary packaging. Transportation packaging, like AC is there, refrigerator is there, television is there, which you bring from other places. So special thermocol packaging is required, that is transportation packaging. So which type of packaging you have done for your product, that you have to mention. Then after students, we have discussed about distribution of channel. Channel means your product from your side to customer, how many channels you will use. Wholesaler will be there, retailer will be there, or you are directly going to customer, or you are using the franchisees, you are using the dealers, which type of people you are using. I shortly say right now that students, if your product is in nearby area, your customers, then you can go directly also. And if your product is spread in entire India, you can go for wholesaler and retailer also. And if your product is international product, you can go for franchisee also. That you have to mention. Then after students, promotional method. How you will inform the customer about your product, that you have to say. So 4 promotional methods are there. Number 1 is advertising. You have to advertise your product in newspaper, in television, somewhere you can advertise your product. Then after students, sales promotion means you give offer to the customers, discount may be there, gift may be there, more quantity may be there, lottery may be there, so anything you can use. So to attract the customers towards your product. Then after students, you can go for personal selling. Now personal selling means you are going door to door, home to home to sell your product. So that is also one method you can use. One more thing is there students, personal relationship. Now personal relation means that you have a very good contact with different people. They know you very well. You have a very good relation with the customers, different customers. Because of that, they will come to purchase your product. So this is what we call about the 4 ways of promoting your product. Then what is the USP of your product? Unique selling proposition means how your product is different from others product. What is the unique speciality? आपके प्रोडक्ट में ऐसी क्या चीज है जो दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स में नहीं है, तो आपको वो भी अलग से बताना पड़ेगा. Then after students, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन यानी आपका प्रोडक्ट आप मार्केट में ले जाने के लिए कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करेंगे. नियर बाय एरिया है, रोडवेज यू कैन यूज, थोड़ा दूर है, रेलवेज ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज, और इंटरनेशनल है तो एयरवेज यू कैन यूज एज वेल एज मरीन ऑल्सो यू कैन use. So which transportation you will use, you have to show that also. Then after students, what is the social message on your product? Means like society के लिए आपने अपने प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर कोई स्पेशल मैसेज दिया है. एग्जाम्पल के भाई ग्रो मोर ट्रीज, ओके, डोंट थ्रो द वेस्टेज in open area. This is the social message. So is there any kind of social message you have mentioned in your product at the logo or at the label of your product that you have to discuss? And last but not the least students, cost effective technique means that आपके प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस कम हो उसके लिए आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. Cost effective technique that you have to mention in the project, and last 2 pages will be of conclusion and bibliography. So students, this is what briefly I have discussed about BS project. अगर आपको फिर भी डाउट है तो you can contact the subject teacher that is myself, या फिर आप स्कूल आके डिस्कस भी कर सकते हैं अगर बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट है. So this is what I have discussed about account and BS project. But student, एक बात बोलूँगा आपको, अगर आप लाइव लेक्चर अटेंड करेंगे तो आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिट होगा. You can ask to those who are attending the live lectures. Hope for the best. Thank you very much.